The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C9 is here, and it's nothing short of a revolution in the world of performance cars. Chevrolet has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the C8 and elevated it to new heights, blending cutting-edge technology, extreme performance, and jaw-dropping design into a package that redefines American supercars. The exterior boasts a more aerodynamic and aggressive stance, with a sharper front fascia, sleeker LED lighting, and sculpted air intakes that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Every line is designed for speed, with a lower and wider profile that gives it an unmistakable road presence. The lightweight carbon fiber intensive construction enhances agility while maintaining the Corvette's reputation for durability. The rear is just as dramatic, featuring an active aerodynamic system with an adaptive rear wing that adjusts to optimize downforce and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 C9 continues Chevrolet's legacy of heart-pounding performance with a reworked, naturally aspirated 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, now pushing an astonishing 700 horsepower. For those craving even more power, Chevrolet has introduced a hybrid variant featuring an electric front axle, boosting the total output to a staggering 850 horsepower. This hybrid setup not only delivers blistering acceleration, but also improves grip and handling, making it a true competitor to the likes of Ferrari and McLaren. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission has been refined for lightning-fast shifts, ensuring seamless power delivery whether you're tearing up the track or cruising the highway. Step inside, and the cabin is a fusion of race-inspired ergonomics and high-end luxury. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather elevate the experience, while the redesigned cockpit wraps around the driver for a more immersive feel. The fully digital instrument cluster features a customizable 12.3-inch display, providing real-time performance data, while the massive 15-inch infotainment screen integrates Chevrolet's latest AI-driven infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G connectivity. The C9 doesn't just focus on performance, comfort, and innovation are equally prioritized. Advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an AI-enhanced performance traction management system, ensure an exhilarating yet safe ride. The upgraded magnetic ride control suspension reads the road in real time, adjusting damping for razor-sharp handling without sacrificing ride quality. With its bold styling, unparalleled performance, and groundbreaking technology, the 2026 Corvette C9 isn't just a new chapter for Chevrolet. It's a statement to the world that the American supercar has arrived, ready to challenge the very best.